Hello. So today's posture that we're going to break down is full boat, or Sanskrit would be Paripurna Navasana. And it strengthens your core, your spine and hip flexors, stimulates digestive organs, kidneys, and thyroid, and relieves stress and lethargy. The instructions on here says that you should sit with your knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Bring your knees and feet to touch. And hold on to the backs of your thighs. Hold on to the back of your thighs. Lean back within. Exhale so that your toes lift from the floor. Balance on your sitting bone. Straighten your legs. Reaching your feet diagonally upward. Release your hands and stretch your arms forward, bringing them parallel to the floor. Balance in the pose and take slow, deep breaths. Lower your feet with an exhale. As a modification, you can hold backs of thighs for support. This does say to avoid this pose if you have low blood pressure, heart problems, or a low back injury. This is what the posture asana is to look like, if you can see that. And now I am going to show you how that would work actually getting into the posture. So let's say you're already on your mat, which you would be, and the instructions on the card are saying you would be coming from this posture. And you're going to grab onto the back of your legs. You're going to lean back. You're going to lift one leg up into the air, then the other, and then you will bring your arms parallel to the floor. Now, let's say you do not have strong torso, core, muscles, and you would like to be where that picture is, but you're not quite there yet. So here are a few things that you can do, some modifications and things to look out for. Starting from this position, one thing you do want to avoid is rounding your back when you lean back, because that's just going to put more pressure on your lower back, and you don't want that. So if when you set up and you go to lean back, what you can try to do is imagine bringing your heart or your chest up towards the ceiling, or maybe the corner of a room. Bring your gaze up that way, or bring your gaze straight out in front of you. So when you lean back, your back is still straight. You can always hold on to the back of your legs. The next step up from that would be just bringing your legs up like so, and then balance. And you can always try this at home outside of a yoga class, and it will practice on your own, finding out what works for you and what doesn't. So there's here, and let's say you can't come here, you can always bring your arms down to the floor behind you and bring your arms up, your legs up. Or you can do that. If you can't do this, you can always grab a block or some books and put them underneath your feet to bring them up a little bit. Now the next progression from having your legs halfway up like so, you can still hold on to the back of your legs and you can straighten your legs. How you want your feet to be while you're in that posture, honestly, I think it's up to you, unless the teacher instructs you to either point your toes, flex your toes, or to, there's a yoga term for it and I can't remember. So to show you real quick, this is point, this is flex, and then this is kind of a mix between the two. So again, whichever is comfortable for you, you can point, flex, or the mix of the two. And then you would hold your breath, not hold your breath, but gently inhale, exhale, and then when you're ready to come down, exhale your feet to the floor, and then you would move on to the next posture. So, give it a shot, see what works, what doesn't work, and make your changes from there. Thank you.